Question 6. Table gives the populations of each of 5 countries in 2014. In 2014, there were more people living in China than there were living in the USA. How much more? Well, we want to take our population of China and we want to take our population of the USA and subtract them from one another. Now you can type this into your calculator exactly as you see this, and you will get the following answer. You'll get 108 followed by 7 zeros, or in other words 1.08 billion. That's what your calculator is going to give you. If we then convert that into standard form, because of the fact that that's what the question wants, we're going to have 1.08 as our digit at the beginning. Our times 10 is going to be a positive number because this is a large number, and we have to jump a total of 9 places in order to get our decimal point from the end of the number here to in between 1 and 0. Part B. In 2014, the population of India was k times the population of Mexico. So India was k times Mexico. India from this list is 1.3 times 10 to the 9. So 1.3 times 10 to the power of 9 is k times Mexico. And Mexico is 1.2 times 10 to the power of 8. 1.2 times 10 to the power 8. So that statement here is basically saying Mexico times k equals India. We want to figure out what k is, so we want to rearrange this equation, which means in order to get k on its own, we need to divide our 1.3 times 10 to the power of 9 by our 1.2 times 10 to the power of 8. What we're going to get in our calculator next is going to be a decimal. It's not going to be the nicest of decimals in the world. It's going to keep going forever and ever. So when we type that in, we're going to end up with that. Nope, that's not true. We're going to end up with 10.83333 as our value of k. And the question wants us to the nearest whole number. So rounding to the nearest whole number here, that 8 is going to turn that 0 into an 11. So 11 is our value of k. Done.